Open the phone dialer app on your iPhone. Then go to the keypad. Now enter this code carefully. **61**121**11 **30#. Make sure you type it exactly without spaces. In this code, 30 seconds means your iPhone will ring for Vodafone network users before forwarding the call. You can set the ring time in increments of 5 seconds, such as 15, 20, 25, or up to a maximum of 30 seconds, depending on Vodafone network limits. After entering the code, tap the Call button. You will see a pop-up confirmation on your screen showing that call forwarding has been successfully registered. If this video helped you, don't forget to tap the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting guides.